your name, name. Nobody would see your name right now. So you state who you are, even though people know you pretty much by your face and who you work for. There you go. It doesn't say who you work for, though. Wait, let me zoom in on your shirt there.
Why not?
There, magenta. So. Now, I was going to ask you what you're going to talk on, but it seems like for pretty much your entire career, it seems like there's 4 letters that follow your name everywhere they go. Well, shut up, Corey.
This interview is going just in a bad direction right from the start, isn't it?
CSLA. So, where are you? Because your talk today was basically about CSLA and Silverlight. CSLA Lite, correct?
Yes, that's right.
What do you find is...
Well, actually, CSLA.net for Silverlight.
Oh, really? Has it been changed again?
It has. The CSLA Lite name turned out to poll badly in marketing surveys.
Really?
No, I didn't do any marketing surveys. It was confusing people. People, rather than thinking it was a version of CSLA for Silverlight, thought it was just a version of CSLA that was like stripped down and small.
I could see that, yeah.
And so the whole clever play on it's CSLA for Silverlight just wasn't working. So.
Do you have like a new logo for CSLA that's all like silverish?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have it on your laptop?
No, because maybe. Hang on.
Is it something that you've publicly shown yet, or?
Yeah, it's on my website.
Oh, okay. All right.
I don't know if I have it on here or not, but I will see.
I think I remember you mentioning that there's actually a new logo, but
I don't have it on here, and I can't get to the internet. So,
okay.
But yes, there's.
Are you on the internet, Corey? Of course, you're on the internet, Corey. Can you hop onto his site quick?
Go to Lhotka.net and then do the downloads for CSLA for Silverlight.
Okay. While you're doing that, Corey, what would you say has been the biggest challenge getting CSLA to work in Silverlight? I know you've had a couple, but what would you say is if you had to pick one, what would it be?
Well, I think there's several that we faced internally making the thing work. I think the biggest thing that people will encounter using it is the fact that all server communication in Silverlight is asynchronous.
Yeah.
And so that obviously affected the design of CSLA quite a bit, but also will directly affect the way that you build your business code and your UI is designed and so forth, because you go running off to get some data from the server. Well, while that's running, the user can still be messing around with your app.
Right.
And it's just a fundamental change to, I think, most people in terms of the way they build code.
Do you think people that are, like the small percentage of developers that do a lot of things in a concurrent fashion, in like either WinForms or WPF application, will actually jump pretty much into that and not being such a big deal because they're used to that type of model? Or even JavaScript developers, because you do a lot of things in the client that are already asynchronous. Do you think that won't be as big of a deal for them?
I suspect that people that have done a lot of AJAX and actual client-side scripting of their own will have an easier time just jumping in, at least with that particular aspect.
Okay.
Because, it's the same basic idea. And the same is true if you've done asynchronous message-based coding in WPF or Windows, or it's all the same stuff. It's not like it's new. But for most people, I think everybody's used to doing synchronous. You call your database and you wait for the result, and so this is not that.
Okay, you got the logos differentiated there.
There you go.
Okay, let's take a look at them. So the old one, old and busted, is on the right, and the new and hotness is on the left. So very cool. All right, thanks, Rocky.
Thanks.